This 1930s Craftsman Kit house comes with all the charm you can imagine. Built-in cabinets, original woodwork, and classic cypress windows outfitted with custom modern storm windows. Don't let all that charm fool you. This is a RISE certified, fully insulated, energy efficient home with 3 beds and 2 baths, all on a quiet half-acre and within a stone's throw to the South County bike path. There is even a spacious studio out back with ample room on the lot for another outbuilding or garage or more gardens. As an added bonus, the boiler and roof were updated in 2012 and the basement is completely dry. Come on in and see for yourself.